July is the peak of the monsoon, creating a perfect environment for sowing and cultivating fast-growing flower plants. These beautiful flower plants you can cultivate in your garden. Sunflower, Coreopsis, Zinnia, Cosmos, Gaillardia, Balsam, Marigold, Delphinium, Rose, Bougainvillea, Hibiscus, Jasmine, Oleander, Lantana, Passion flower, Pentas, Vinca, Mogra, Morning Glory, Nasturtium, Portulaca, Gardenia, Butterfly pea, Gomphrena, Verbena. If you want to narrow down this list, please tell me, do you have an open garden space or a balcony? Are you looking for fast-growing seeds or ready-to-plant saplings? I can provide specific care instructions tailored to your chosen plants. For more information, call or WhatsApp 868-736-9040 or visit www.houseplants.co.in.